You got the hiccups. You got too excited. You're too excited to calm down in your crate. Too excited. What do you think, Bentley? No, you gotta calm down. It's time to calm down. Time to calm down, buddy. You got the hiccups. Yeah, you got the hiccups. No, it's time to calm down, buddy. Calm down. Calm down and they'll go away. I know. It's time to calm down. You're too excited. I know it's exciting. You need to calm down. You gonna calm down? Maybe take a nap? Wanna take a little nap or something? Hey? Is it nap time? You wanna take a nap? Have a lie down? Hiccups are gone. Oh, you want to play? I don't know. You gonna nip again? No, you're not gonna nip. We have a good playtime if I take you out. If I take you out, will you behave? Yeah? Will you behave if I take you out? You promise?